Properties of rational numbers. What is a rational number? A number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Numbers like 2 by 5, 3 by 8, -2 by 3, 0 and -5 all are examples of rational numbers. Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. And every natural number is a rational number, but not vice versa. Numbers like 1 by 7, -3 by -4, and -2 by -5 are called positive rational numbers, since both the numerator and denominator have the same sign. Numbers like -4 by 7, 3 by -8, and -5 by 9 are called negative rational numbers, since both the numerator and denominator have different sign. Numbers having the same value are called equivalent rational numbers. For example, 3 by 8 and 9 by 24 are equivalent rational numbers. Displayed here are two ways of adding rational numbers with same denominator and different denominator. Let's see the properties of addition of rational numbers one by one. Closure property. The sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Commutative property. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. Associative property. While adding more than two rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Additive identity. The sum of 0 and any rational number is the rational number itself. 0 is called the additive identity. Additive inverse. The additive inverse of any rational number is the rational number itself with an opposite sign. Now, let's see the properties of subtraction of rational numbers. The method of subtracting of two rational numbers is shown here. Now, let's see the properties of subtraction one by one. Closure property. The subtraction of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Identity element. A 0 subtracted from any rational number gives the rational number itself. The multiplication of rational numbers follows the same rule as the multiplication of common fractions. The product of two rational numbers is equal to the product of numerators divided by the product of the denominators. Now, let's see the properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Closure property. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Commutative property. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. Associative property. While multiplying more than two rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Multiplicative identity. The product of 1 and any rational number is the rational number itself. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. 0 property. The product of 0 and any rational number is 0. Multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of any rational number is the reciprocal of the rational number. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property says that if A by B, C by D, and E by F are three rational numbers, then A by B whole into C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. Let's see the division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers is the inverse of multiplication. To divide a rational number by another rational number, we multiply the first number by the reciprocal of the second number. Listed here are the properties of division of rational numbers. Have a look at them.